Oh, Watchmaker. Hey, Watchmaker, we're trying to do a wave down there if we can. Absolutely, giving it a try. Hey, Watchmaker. 122. State of Maine, waving from the corner.
Hey, 120. Hey, 122. Watchmaker, I'm waving right at the 120.
Oh, there you go, Watchmaker. Absolutely got that go around. It's rough and tough, and you broke on through. We caught you at waving right on back. Absolutely, sir. Hey, Watchmaker, sounding good in the corner. 122 Maine, just trying to let you know.
My move's working now. Man, I never got 7 bells out this Washington, but I got it just now. Hey, BB, busy B.
Hey, Deer Slayer. Hey, Deer Slayer, we got you that go around. Absolutely did. Deer Slayer, you broke on through. Hey, 122 Maine waving.
Oh, yeah, they got it on lockdown right now. We're going New Year's wave from the St. Paul's.
Right back at you, Deer Slayer. Right back at you. Could put the 2018 wave down there to the pile. You just rode up that old coastline, right in my receive, Deer Slayer. Sounding real good, sir. 122 Maine waving, get out of the road. Bye-bye-bye. Just busting on through it, and just trying to bust on through if we can from the corner. 122, waving from way up north.
On the mud puddle. How about that 132? How about that 132? Hey, 132. 170. I'm looking forward to getting my RCR back. I know my boy gonna get it right for me there.
Rolling on through, absolutely am. 122 northeast corner waving.
Back over here, you were doing a fine job there. I said to myself, I ain't worried about the warranty. Here's what it is. While he had it, I said to him and told him, you know, do those things too while you have it. I want to come back and come to the big horn and clean my radio up. Breaker. Hey, look at the red baron. Hey, Big Papa. Good morning. Big Papa, red baron, Houston. Got down. Hey, Big Papa, the border patrol in the northeast corner of the
absolutely am from the corner. 122 just walking through Texas.
For sure. 11-18, old Poncho down south. Standing by. Yeah, great big old hammer right there. Take care. Great big puffer, red bear. Great big horn cut down.
Oh, Red Baron, you still got the hammer. Hey, Red Baron, you're still rolling into the corner. Absolutely, aye, sir. Sounding good. Red Baron, 122 waving one more time.
I had to lean on it a little bit. I knew you was having trouble with me the first time, no doubt. You got a great big hammer in Houston once again. Top of right there, great big horn got down. Have a great day out there for sure. And I hope y'all having a good 2018. 11-18. 1-8. In the next. Hello, Chef Razor, right there, right back. Come here. The Trailblazer, great big family. Trailblazer, New York City. Happy New Year, no doubt. You Red Baron, Houston, got down. Put it on your shirt down, man. Come on, man, you gotta put it down. Hey, baby, can you say? Trailblazer, I got a 4 meter on you right now. Leave that topic alone. Red Baron, Houston, gone. BB, chop, 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 chop. That's who I am. Man, with the chop, you get down. Hey, BB. Man, boy, y'all trying to run these corners on me. Hey, I'm on my way back to that 277. Real good in Houston. Red Baron, Houston, gone.
Still sounding good, Red Baron. Hey, Red Baron, you still got it going on up here in the corner, loud and proud. Red Baron, a 122. 122 walking on through, waving.
Real good coffee coming out the stone. Baron in Houston is gone.
Big hammer, Red Baron. Hey, Red Baron, you got a big old hammer rolling into the corner. 122 Maine, waving.
Right, tell you what, a great big old hammer you got on this end too. 122. Right back at you, no doubt. 122 in Maine, Red Baron, Houston, back out.
Real good coffee, real good coffee. You got it going on, Red Baron. Just wanted to spike it down, wave one more time. Sounded real good, sir. 122 out of your talk show. Bye-bye.
Let's talk show.